how to open or how to log in your CPI Mosteiro-Meis account. Your browser, introduce Google, and now log in with next, and the password. Next, here we are. This is your Cajal cpimosteiromeis.com. This is the apps, your Gmail, and Classroom. In the email, you can see these two communications are here because you write a text, and this is an invitation to participate in a class, and you can go to the class, clicking in Classroom, you are a teacher, and this is your class here, Erasmus 2019. Close this window, and these in persons: Belén, Luis, and Cajal, Javier, and Lian has been invited to, and you, Cajal Oconquir, this is for make some task, and here in this item, you can download the different logos. Logo of the project printed in the t-shirt, logo of Erasmus Plus. This is the logo, or this is the logo with left aligned, and this is the logo with center aligned. Choose the appropriate logo for your to upload in your website of the school. Logo of the project and museum logo. Another logo of Spain, of the Xunta de Galicia, and the logo of CPI Mosteiro-Meis, of our school, of my school. And you can download the only thing to do is click, and this is the logo, or Erasmus Plus. This is the logo, and you go to the dots in the right side of the screen. You can open in a new window and this is the logo. You can download here. This is in Spanish. I think in your computer this may be in English. Download here. And that's all. Goodbye.